So the route risk tool allows users to see how these in-car technologies are affecting risk in their area or along different routes across the UK. So what users can do is input a route or input a specific area and see the collision risk around that area. And then they can choose different technologies. And once they've chosen those technologies, they can then rerun the tool and get a completely new reading of risk. What this can allow people to do is see in their area which of these technologies is going to have the most impact on collision risk. It can allow highways managers to see what's left after technology's solved many of the accident hotspots. Are there still accident areas left? And then they can think about what can be done about those. It could also be used in a A to B route context, so that someone could actually get into a car, plot a route, and see the risks along that route for their particular vehicle, given the technologies which are inside that car currently. So there's lots of potential for this tool to go in different directions, but all of them help to give us a much better understanding about how different routes and infrastructure configurations affect and technologies combine to make our roads safer. So TRL developed this tool as part of an Innovate-funded project called Driven. So Driven was an autonomous vehicle trial. So what we were doing then was mapping routes between Oxford and London to try and find the route which was safest for a vehicle to try out different technologies. But what we've done since then is expand, so we can actually map different routes all across the country. So we're really, really excited about this tool and see a lot of potential in it. What we're looking for is people to come and talk to us about it. So we want to talk to insurers, we want to talk to highways managers and OEMs who are actually developing these in-car technologies. We want to make sure we get the most out of this, and so it really lives up to its potential.